Soumya ma'am, can you see the live screen?
Yes, Sharmila ma'am, I can see the live screen. Yeah. It's correct, ma'am. Live screen is pakka. Yeah.
We'll start. Good morning. This year has been different from the get-go. The pandemic has changed our lives in an unprecedented manner. So much has changed and so drastically too. Yet, the one defining characteristic of us humans is that the human spirit always triumphs. We always find a way to do what is most important. Despite being in different places, today we come together as one in honor of our country, India. India has always been special as she has always welcomed and made her own people, religions, cuisines, fashion technology, and almost everything else stand out from the rest of the world. Similarly, from places as far flung as Kashmir, Kolkata, and Kerala, we have gathered today in one mind and spirit to celebrate. Hence, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you all to the first ever virtual gathering of the entire Sherwood Hall family for the celebration of our 74th Independence Day. Myself, Barakat Sharmila and Soumya will present the live events today.
Thank you, ma'am. Freedom is not something you have to deserve. It's something you just naturally have. Something that no one can take away from you. Let's celebrate the freedom. We take great pleasure in inviting our chief guest for the day, our beloved principal, Mrs. Devakrishna, to hoist the national flag in our school premises. And now we are going to see the live screen from Sherwood Hall, where the flag hoisting is going to take place. In the screen, we have our PT teacher, Mrs. Lima, our principal, Mrs. Devakrishna, and our academic consultant, Mrs. Ruchi. Thank you, ma'am. Flag salute. Order. Flag song.
கொடிப்பாரே நம் தாயில் மணி கொடிப்பாரே அதை சான்று பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே சான்று பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாரே தாயில் மணி கொடிப்பாரே ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம் ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம் அதன் புத்தியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்றே ஓங்கி வளர்ந்ததோர் கம்பம் அதன் புத்தியின் மேல் வந்தே மாதரம் என்றே பாங்கினெழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பாங்கினெழுதி திகழும் செய்ய பட்டொளி வீசி பறந்தது பாரி பட்டொளி வீசி பறந்தது பாரி தாயில் மணி கொடி பாரி கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நீற்றல் காணி எங்கும் காணரும் வீரர் பெரும் திருக்கூட்டம் கம்பத்தின் கீழ் நீற்றல் காணி எங்கும் காணரும் வீரர் பெரும் திருக்கூட்டம் நம்பற்குரியரம் வீர தங்கள் நல்லுயிரேங்கும் கொடியினை காப்பர் நல்லுயிரேங்கும் கொடியினை காப்பர் தாயில் மணி கொடிப்பாரே சேர்ந்ததை காப்பது சிந்தையின் வீரம் நிரந்தரம் வாழ்க சேர்ந்ததை காப்பது காளி அவர் சிந்தையின் வீரம் நிரந்தரம் வாழ்க சேர்ந்தவர் போற்றும் பரத்தனில்ல சேர்ந்தவர் போற்றும் பரத்தனில்ல தேவி ஸ்வஜம் சிறப்புறவாழ்க தேவி ஸ்வஜம் சிறப்புறவாழ்க தாயின் மணி கொடிப்பாரே அதை தாங்கி பணிந்து புகழ்ந்திடவாயே தாயில் நம் தாயில் மணி கொடிப்பாரே.
Now we have the invocation dance by Neha of class 9.
That was a great performance, Neha. Thank you so much. Now, I request our principal, Mrs. Sivakrishna, to address the virtual gathering.
Warm greetings to all the teachers, parents, admin members, and my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to address you on the occasion of the 74th Virtual Independence Day celebrations for this year. It is on this day that we cherish the independence, the success of our forefathers in getting independence from the Britishers after years and years of relentless struggle. Now, at this juncture, I must say that this year has been a very significant and a very difficult one indeed. And somehow I cannot help comparing this year to 1947. In 1947, our forefathers, our freedom fighters, fought relentlessly against the Britishers to get independence for India. And this year, the world as such is fighting against a common enemy, relentlessly in pursuit, the corona pandemic. And I personally feel the struggles, the focus, the determination of our forefathers are inspiring us today to put a brave front against this pandemic. If India, with such a huge population, under the leadership of a very capable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, is able to fight against this epidemic so successfully, it is only because of the fact that we have our forefathers to draw inspiration from. We know what it is to fight against an enemy, and we know what it takes to get success at the end of the struggle. So we are looking at a very successful beginning once we are able to defeat this pandemic. So this day actually reminds us, explains to us, inspires us to follow the steps of our forefathers and continue fighting against any challenge that might come across our way. And this is my message to the students. I cannot but help appreciating the cooperation and the support that the students have been giving with regard to studies or extracurricular or the program that they have put up today. It only shows the kind of inspiration and confidence that they have in themselves to deal with any challenge that will come in their way. And this, my dear students, is our success. So at the outset, on behalf of the management, our educational consultant, Mrs. Ruchi Mohanta, the teachers, and the admin staff, I would like to wish all the students and all the parents a very, very happy Independence Day. Let us celebrate this day with more fervor and more celebrations. Thank you.
Thank you, Diva ma'am.
Now we have Avantika Basu deliver a speech.
Good morning to all. I am Avantika Basu from class 2. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 74th Independence Day of our nation. We should celebrate this day with a great spirit. We should remember our great leaders who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. India welcomed the nation's independence from the United Kingdom on 15th of August 1947. This day, the provisions of the Indian
Great job, Avantika. Our brain, body, soul feel ignited when we see those three ordinary colors merging together extraordinarily. Yes, our tricolor national flag. Next, we have Varun Kumar of class 6 for the flag speech.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் டி வருண்குமார். அனைவருக்கும் சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நான் இப்போது நமது இந்தியா நாட்டின் தேசிய கொடியை பற்றி பேசப் போகிறேன். நம் தேசிய கொடி 3 வண்ணங்களை கொண்டது. ஆரஞ்சு வண்ணம் தியாகத்திலும், வெண்மை வண்ணம் தூய்மையிலும், பசுமை வண்ணம் வளத்தையும் கொண்டது. நடுவில் உள்ள நீல சக்கரம் தர்மத்தையும் குறிக்கிறது. நாம் எல்லோரும் நமது தேசிய கொடிக்கு மரியாதை தந்து தலை வணங்க வேண்டும். வந்தே மாதரம். நன்றி.
Next, we have Risha delivering a speech.
One flag, one land, one heart, one hand. Happy Independence Day, my nation's celebration, liberty for you and me. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. One flag, one flag. One flag, one land, one heart, one hand. Happy Independence Day, my nation's celebration, liberty for you and me. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.
Sorry, there was a slight problem with the audio. We shall play Risha's speech again.
One flag, one land, one heart, one hand. Happy Independence Day, my nation's celebration, liberty for you and me. Let me begin by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. India is a country of various religion, caste, culture and tradition. We are a country of unity in diversity. Independence Day brings all Indians together irrespective to their caste and culture. After 200 years of British rule and slavery, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Many great leaders sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. We cannot imagine that horrible period struggled by our forefathers. Now, after many years of independence, India is on the right track of development. Today, our country is a well-established democratic country all over the world. We should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens for the tomorrow India. We should sincerely perform our duty and do hard work to get the goal and successfully lead this democratic nation. Today, we came together, be the cause for the unity, make it beautiful day another, spur the flag of the nation. Vande Mataram.
Thank you, Risha. That was a great speech. Next, we have Moksh from grade 7 to deliver a speech in our national language, Hindi.
माननीय शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे मित्र, आपको मेरी ओर से नमस्कार। मैं मोक्ष राणा 7वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ। मुझे यह बताते हुए बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हम अपना 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहे हैं। देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश की मान है। हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारों, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस का अर्थ है पूर्ण आजादी। इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराते हैं और भाषण भी देते हैं। आने वाली पीढ़ियों को भी 15 अगस्त को हमारी तरह पूरी देशभक्ति के साथ आजादी का जश्न मनाना चाहिए। ये नफरत बुरी है, ना पालो इसे। दिल में खलीस है, निकालो इसे। ना तेरा, ना मेरा, ना इसका, ना उसका, ये सबका वतन है, बचा लो इसे। ना भाषा, ना जाति देखा, सबको अपना मीत बनाया। वो बांग्लादेश या पाकिस्तान, सबको हमने गले लगाया। 15 अगस्त को देश की शान है, यही मेरे देश की अभिमान है। धन्यवाद।
Next, we have Balaharshita of grade 5 deliver a strong speech.
பெயர் பாலஹர்ஷிதா. வணக்கம். 1947 ஆகஸ்ட் மாதம் 15ஆம் தேதி என்பது ஒவ்வொரு இந்தியரின் வாழ்விலும் நினைவிலும் நிற்கும் தினமாக கருதப்படுகிறது. அந்நாள் நம்முடைய புதிய தேசத்தின் உதய நாள் என்று சொன்னால் அது மிகையாகாது. ஏனென்றால் இறையாண்மை கொண்ட நாடாக திகழும் நமது இந்தியாவின் சுதந்திரம் என்பது நூற்றுக்கணக்கான ஆன்மாக்கள் மற்றும் ஆயிரக்கணக்கான புரட்சியாளர்களின் வெற்றி என்று பெருமையுடன் தலை நிமிர்ந்து சொல்லலாம். ஏனெனில் 200 ஆண்டுகளாக நமது நாட்டிலேயே நாம் அந்நிய தேசத்தவரிடம் அடிமைகளாக இருந்தபோது அவர்களை துணிச்சலுடன் எதிர்த்து போராடினர். ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் இந்நாளில் நமது பிரதமர் தேசிய கொடியை ஏற்றி வைத்து மக்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள் தெரிவித்து உரையாற்றுவார். அந்தந்த மாவட்டத்தில் மாவட்ட ஆட்சித்தலைவர்கள் தேசிய கொடியை ஏற்றி நலத்திட்ட உதவிகளை வழங்குவார்கள். தேசபக்தியுடன் நமது 74ஆம் சுதந்திர தினத்தை மகிழ்ச்சியுடன் கொண்டாடி தேசப்பற்றை வளர்ப்போம். வாழ்கின்றே வளர்க பாரதம். நன்றி.
Thank you, Balaharshita, for the patriotic Tamil speech with the clips of our national leaders. Thank you so much. Next item is an instrumental performance by Hayan Abdullah of class 3.
Happy Independence Day. Today I'm going to play Vande Mataram.
Next, we have Arjit delivering a Malayalam speech.
അഭിമാനമുള്ള അധ്യാപകരെ, പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സഹോദര സഹോദരിമാരെ, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനത്തിനെ പറ്റിയാണ്. ഇന്ത്യ 73ാം സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്നത് 2007 ബ്രിട്ടീഷ് ഭരണത്തിനെതിരെ പോരാടി ലഭിച്ച സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനത്തിന്റെ ആവേശപൂർവമായ ഓർമ്മപ്പെടുത്തലാണ് ഓരോ ആഗസ്റ്റ് 15. ദേശത്തിന്റെ ത്രിവർണ പതാക വാനോളം ഉയരുമ്പോൾ മോഹത്തിന്റെയും മൊഴിയുടെയും അതിർത്തി കടന്നു പോകും. ഇതിനുവേണ്ടി പോരാടിയ ചില നേതാക്കളായ മഹാത്മാഗാന്ധി, നേതാജി സുഭാഷ് ചന്ദ്രബോസ്, ജവഹർലാൽ നെഹ്റു, ഭഗത് സിംഗ്. നമ്മൾക്ക് 1947 ആഗസ്റ്റ് 15 പൂർണ്ണ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം കിട്ടിയത്. ഒരു ഭാരതനാവാൻ ഞാൻ അഭിമാനിക്കുന്നു. ജയ് ഹിന്ദ്.
Thank you, Arjit, for your lively speech. Now we have Shruti of class 7 with the Telugu.
త్రిగత్తిపాదరా వందే మాతరం, దేశ ధీరమణి వందే మాతరం. నిత్యం నీలో ఉన్నదే నలుదిక్కులు నీలే మన్నిదే, నిత్యం నీలో ఉన్నదే నలుదిక్కులు నీలే మన్నిదే. ఒక ఉద్ధృతం ఒక అద్భుతం కలకల్పితే మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా. వెలుగత్తిపాదరా వందే మాతరం, దేశ ధీరమణి వందే మాతరం. నిత్యం నీలో ఉన్నదే నలుదిక్కులు నీలే మన్నితే, ఒక ఉద్ధృతం ఒక అద్భుతం కలకల్పితే మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా. కన్నిలాల కలలు తెలవారుతున్న కథలు, జైచారుతున్న పరుగు, ఇకనైన మేలు కొనుగు. వానర సైన్యమురా దేశమేగి, ఎదురుచ్చిన మృత్యువునే చిల్చివేసి, ఉరుకిన వీరులు తేజం నిగురులి రగిలి రగిలి, ఉషోదయానే చేరినదా స్వతంత్ర గీతం పాడినదా. మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా. నువ్వు నేను నిలిచి ఉన్న భువనం, నాటి నేటి త్యాగదనుల ఫలితం. నువ్వు నేను నిలిచి ఉన్న భువనం, నాటి నేటి త్యాగదనుల ఫలితం. మరణం చేదా నిత్యం, ఇది మరణం మెరుగని సత్యం. మరణం చేదా నిత్యం, ఇది మరణం మెరుగని సత్యం. మన ఇండియా, 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 మనం ఇండియా. వెలుగత్తిపాదరా వందే మాతరం, దేశ ధీరమణి వందే మాతరం. నిత్యం నీలో ఉన్నదే నలుదిక్కులు నీలే మన్నితే, ఒక ఉద్ధృతం ఒక అద్భుతం కలకల్పితే మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా, మన ఇండియా. జై హింద్.
Next we have Shravantika of class 2 deliver a small story for you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to tell you all an interesting and true story. Long ago, so long ago, the British people liked our country so much that they didn't even want to leave. and started ruling us. So many people had to keep reminding that wasn't their home. Among them was a man named Gandhi who talked peacefully and made them understand that they couldn't stay in India any longer. Finally, the British people realized this and gave up. They left India. India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. We celebrate this day every year as Independence Day. On this special day, we pay respect to our leaders who fought and sacrificed their lives to get us freedom. Proud India citizen, wish you all happy 73rd Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Shravantika, for that lovely story. Next, we have Aditya from class 8 with an English speech.
Good morning, fellow Indians. My name is Aditya. I am from class 8A of Sherman Senior Secondary School. Today, in our Independence Day, we are personally feel to honor our past freedom fighters who fought with all of their might. Good morning, fellow Indians. My name is Aditya. I am from class 8A of Sherman Senior Secondary School. Today, in our Independence Day, we are personally feel to honor our past freedom fighters who fought with all of their might and even with their lives.
Sharmila ma'am, do you want me to play it? Yes, there is a slight delay in Aditya's speech. It's just getting ready.
Good morning, fellow Indians. My name is Aditya. I am from class 8A of Sherman Senior Secondary School. Today, in our Independence Day, we are personally feel to honor our past freedom fighters who fought with all of their might and even with their lives. The leader of the freedom struggle was Mahatma Gandhi. The principles of Ahimsa and Satyagraha of holding on to the truth that helped us win the battle without any violence.
Everyone, I am Dheera of class 3, present here.
While around this matter, I would like to mention one of my favorite quotes of Gandhi, conveys the strength and part of the powerful Indian republic movement. An eye for an eye or the undertaking of whole world law. Happiness is because what you think, what you say, and what you do are the family. Where there is love, there is care. Our ancestors have done the best things to take us in sincere ways, but they will truly believe only when we bring our full potential to the world. A lot of us are struggling to make India as a third world developing country. And yes, we are developing, but I assure you we are now developing at an incredibly fast pace. Listen to random statistics. India ranks one in youth and coffee production. And let's not forget that India is the first nation in the world to successfully put the Mars orbital mission, also called Mangalyaan, into orbit at its very first attempt. As you can see, we have come very far in the last 73 years from being just a British colony to being one of the top 5 fastest growing economies in the world. This is our duty as the future nation of the country to be the best at what we can. In order to reach our maximum potential, some of the habits that we can adopt as individuals are up to the Gandhian principles of economics. We want everything that we have, but we never dare to be compulsory. And the government can invest the money used for cleaning what makes them building. It is my strong belief that we need to focus on building entrepreneurs. It would be an excellent way to project our country as a superpower and not as a third world underdeveloped country. I hope this small speech throws some light on how India is and where we can go. On this Independence Day, I promise to do my share towards the larger goal for my nation, and I hope you will do the same. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Next, we have Dira of Class 3 deliver an English speech.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dira of Class 3 present here to deliver a short note on the great leader of our country, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869. He did his schooling in India and higher studies in England. He was a very truthful and honest person from childhood. Mahatma Gandhi succeeded in involving in a non-violent movement to seek freedom for our country from the British. Thank you.
Thank you, Dheera, for that great performance. Music has been evoking the feeling of patriotism in India. Now, we have Chehal from Class 6B with a patriotic Hindi song.
फूलों से वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दिया आवाज हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से ए जाने वतन सो चांद बुझ हमें नींद उसी दिन आई जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी मैं मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू मजबूर हुए जब दिल के दो तो हमने दवा से काम लिया वो लफ्ज नहीं फिर थमने जिस लफ्ज को हमने थाम लिया हमें ईमान है जो किस धर्म का हमसे न कभी ये भेद हो सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ तेरी मिट्टी मैं मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Now we have Rehan of Class 5 deliver an English speech. Ma'am, the audio is not heard.
Since the audio is not heard, I'll be playing it from the beginning.
A very good morning to one and all. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year because India got its freedom from the British on the night of 15th August 1947. It has been 73 years since India got its freedom from the British. Independence Day is celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm and great joy while hoisting the national flag and singing the national anthem and enjoying sweets and a national holiday. However, the independence that we so easily take for granted was a very hard task to achieve. The great leaders of our nation paid this price with their lives. I am thankful to my teachers who not only teach us lessons but teach us love and patriotism for our nation. Me and my friends have a great vision for the future of our country. We will create a country free of caste, creed, free of religious fights, free of hate, but instead create a nation with love, security, brotherhood, where every man and woman, every girl and boy has a right to live peacefully. On this note, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!
That was a brilliant performance, Rehan. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. It is the perfect balance between perfection and beauty. Yes, it's a classic dance performance by Kriti Manasa of class 6B.
మార్చిస్తే
Next we have Manan deliver an Hindi speech.
मैं हिंदी में स्वतंत्रता दिवस के ऊपर एक भाषण देने जा रहा हूँ। प्रतिवर्ष 15 अगस्त के दिन को भारतवासी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। भारत को 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन वह सुनहरी आजादी प्राप्त हुई जिसका लोगों को वर्षों से इंतजार था। इस दिन भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित श्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज फहराया। लोग गुलामी के जंजीरों को तोड़े बहुत प्रसन्न थे। तब से भारत बहुत उन्नति कर चुका है। भारतवासी आज भी अपना स्वतंत्रता दिवस बहुत उत्साह से मनाते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराकर राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हैं। वे राष्ट्र को एकजुट रहने तथा अपनी आत्मनिर्भरता और स्वतंत्रता को बरकरार रखने की प्रेरणा देते हैं। देश के विभिन्न भागों में इस दिन चहल पहल होती है। लोग तिरंगा झंडा फहराकर एक दूसरे को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं। यह दिवस हमें अपने महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों तथा शहीदों का स्मरण करा जाता है। भारत देश की इस कोरोना जंग की लड़ाई में भी भारत उन्नति कर रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने 8 अगस्त 2020 को राष्ट्रीय स्वच्छता केंद्र का उद्घाटन किया, जो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े व्यवहार परिवर्तन अभियान में से एक है। भारतवासी उनके बताए हुए मार्ग पर चलने का संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के लोगों को आपसी मतभेद भुलाकर देश के नव निर्माण की प्रेरणा देता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Manan. Everything in the universe has rhythm. Everything dances. Here we present Veda Varshini of class 6 with a Bharatanatyam dance.
Medina
Next, we have Diva sing a patriotic song for you all.
Thank you, Diva, for that patriotic song. The piano keys are black and white, but they sound like a million colors in our mind. Yes, next will be a piano recital by Tanya of class 10.
Next, we have a skit by class 10 boys.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
I feel proud to be an Indian.
This is my favorite day.
Yeah, I feel sorry that we are not able to meet on this special occasion.
It is really boring to be at home on this special occasion. So let us discuss some facts about our Indian independence.
Did you know it has been 73 years since we got our independence?
You know, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel made a significant role in our independence.
Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Subhash Chandra Bose are my favorite.
Chandrasekhar Azad, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah were the main leaders who led the struggle.
Rani Lakshmibai, Lal Bahadur Shastri, and Begum Astat Mahal are most prominent freedom fighters. And from these, there are two women, so it showcases women empowerment.
But Raja Ram Mohan Roy fought for women and their rights. This was more impactful than your Rani Lakshmibai and Begum Astat Mahal.
Please don't start disrespecting my freedom fighter.
You both may argue, but you have to agree that Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the best.
Without Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India would still be under fragment. He unified India. But M.K. Gandhi is known as the father of India. I wonder why.
How can you say so? Don't you know his famous Dandi March and how many years he spent for our country in the jail? He deserves to be the father of our nation.
Don't you watch the news? The Statue of Unity, the longest statue in the world, is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his service to the nation. No one was as brave as Bhagat Singh. He bombarded the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi in 1929.
Don't forget about Rabindranath Tagore. He composed the national anthem. He was also awarded the knighthood in 1915, but he surrendered it as a protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre.
I have been hearing you guys for a long time. What nonsense are you talking about? Don't you understand? It was a collective effort by each and every freedom fighter. Every freedom fighter didn't fight for their own country or for their own community, but fought for the whole nation. They deserve to be equal respect for each and every freedom fighters, and we should not fight for a religion or region, but stay united.
Yes.
You are right.
You are right.
You are right.
Yes,
We were wrong.
yes, you are right, and you have awakened our
You have
eyes.
opened our eyes.
We have opened our eyes.
Thank you, boys, for the thoughtful skit. To conclude our cultural programs, we have the last performance, Dilshad of class 10, with a dance performance. That was a great one, Dilshad. Thank you. And we request all of you to stay till the end of the program so that we can collectively sing the national anthem. I take pleasure in thanking our principal, Mrs. Diva Krishna, for organizing the virtual Independence Day meet. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our academic consultant, Mrs. Ruchi, for her continuous support and guidance. I would fail in my duty if I don't thank our teachers, Mrs. Joycey, Mrs. Deepa, Mrs. Nalini, Ms. Sangeeta, Mrs. Barkat Sharmila, Mrs. Lima, for making this event a very grand success. My sincere thanks to the office staff, Mrs. Manjula, Mrs. Chitra, and Mr. Vinod for their continuous support and coordination. Last but not least, I thank all the participants, students, and parents who have joined us in this live event and made it a very memorable event. Thank you, everyone. Next, we have our academic consultant, Mrs. Ruchi, to share a few words with us. Over to you, Ruchi ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Am I visible?
Ma'am, you are, yes.
Yes. Good morning and wishing everybody a very, very happy Independence Day The only reason I wanted to come on screen was to briefly thank the two computer science teachers who have been relentlessly putting the whole show together. Thank you so much, Soumya ma'am and Sharmila ma'am. Without you guys and all your support, this would not have been possible. And thank you to each and every one of you present here today in the morning for sparing your time, waking up, and now getting ready for all of us to sing the national anthem together. Thank you so much and wishing you all a happy Independence Day all over again. Thank you.
Now we have come to the end of the today's event. Now we have of grade 6 playing the national anthem. I humbly request everyone to stand up.
Today is the happiest day, not only for me, but for the entire country. Yes, it is our Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to everyone. हम आजाद भारत के आजाद नागरिक हैं। भारत ही हमारी मातृभूमि है। मैं अपने देश से प्यार करती हूँ। यह हमारा देश है। अपने देश के बचाना हमारा कर्तव्य है। आइए, आइए, अपने देश की रक्षा के लिए अपने हाथ मिलाएं। धन्यवाद। Now I am going to play music for the national anthem.
Thank you, Varish. Thank you all of you for joining this virtual meet and making our Independence Day a memorable one. Thank you so much.